floor tiles is not flat after the installation. First, high temperature. PV floor tiles is easy to swell in the high temperature. Second, the ground is not flat. If the ground is not flat, the floor tiles will not stick well. It is very easy to solve these questions. If the ground is not flat,
You can use a sander to smooth the floor. And then use a expansion screws to fix the floor tiles to the ground.
put the expansion screws in the first two rows near the doorway.